Even if you are not a Christian, you need to study the marketing execution that was used for the Jesus brand. I will simplify everything in this video. Because the plan was perfect, it ticked all the old marketing boxes that is very crucial when introducing a product to the market. Because it pains me a lot that most people miss out on this when launching a product to the market, and that is why their products fail woefully even if they spend a lot of money developing this product. Well, the Jesus brand has exposed these secrets, and this is how you can introduce it to your brand. You see, every brand or product introduction has 3 stages: the pre-launch, the launch, and the post-launch. Pre-launch is a time where a brand builds anticipation for introducing a new product to the market. For the Jesus brand, the pre-launch was amazing. A prophet called Isaiah started the marketing campaign years before the arrival of Jesus. He mentioned that there will be a sign, behold, a virgin shall conceive and shall bear a son, and shall call his name Emmanuel. John the Baptist also created a marketing stunt by gathering potential customers and baptizing them with water. And even Jesus came to him to be baptized, and then he gave a public endorsement about Jesus, saying, behold, the Lamb of God who takes away the sin of the world. Wow! This led to the product launch, which is a phase when the product is officially released to the market and it is being used by the audience. For Jesus as a brand, he went around performing diverse miracles. This trended on major platforms, and the word of mouth marketing was massive, making people to buy the products. And this is why when your brand is launched into the market, it should exceed the expectations of the customers. And the last part is the post-launch, when the product finally settles in the market and it is even getting to the point of decline. For Jesus, his brand continued to grow massively even when he was no longer on the earth, because of the brand advocates that he has created, and they took the word from Jerusalem to Judea to Lagos and New York and other parts of the world. The movement was massive, and this is how you know that this strategy will work for your business. So the next time you're thinking of launching a product, service, brand, or a campaign, think about the Jesus brand and how it was implemented. With that, you can build a global brand. Go bradit.